Believe it or not, Motorola hasn't changed much since it got acquired by Chinese giant Lenovo. It is still launching phones of all categories and is still selling them at reasonable prices. For instance, the Moto Z was a killer high-end when it launched, while the Moto G4, the Moto G4 Play, and the Moto G4 Plus are all good examples of how a budget smartphone should be made. The Moto M is positioned somewhere between these two tiers. As an Android mid-range model, it checks all the right boxes. It has good specs, great design, and an affordable price. On paper, this sounds like winning combination, but in real life, is the Moto M worth considering at all? Armed with a decent amount of curiosity, we took it upon ourselves to find out. Connectivity. In terms of connectivity, the Moto M lets you hook up to a compatible 4G LTE cellular network in Europe, India, and China. It supports LTE FDD bands 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 20 as well as TDD LTE bands 38, 40, and 41. Unfortunately, no US LTE bands are supported, which means that you will be limited to 3G connectivity if you import that one. It's worth noting that there are 2 SIM card slots available, with one of these accepting compliant microSD cards. There's also Bluetooth 4.1, dual-band Wi-Fi 802 2.11a, B, G, N, AC, as well as GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, and BAID positioning support. You will be relying on a USB Type-C cable for charging and pairing your phone with a computer.